In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and log into Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or coming back to it after some time, this guide will help you navigate the login and sign up process smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, but for the best experience, make sure it's up to date. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. You should see Slack's homepage at the top of your search results. Click on that link. Once you're on Slack's homepage, those of you who already have a Slack account will notice three options for logging in. You might prefer signing in with your email, or perhaps you've linked your Slack account to your Google or Apple credentials. Choose whichever is most convenient for you. If you're logging in via email, make sure to input the email address associated with your Slack account and then enter your password when prompted. However, if you're here to create a new account, no worries. We've got you covered. Look to the top right corner of the Slack homepage. There, you'll spot an option that says Create an Account. Click on that, and this is where it gets interesting. You can either link your account through an existing Google or Apple account, which might save you time, or you could manually enter your email address. If you choose to manually enter your email, make sure it's one you check regularly, as it's how Slack will communicate with you. After choosing how you'd like to set up your account, follow the on-screen prompts. These steps are designed to be intuitive, guiding you through the creation of your new Slack profile. You'll likely be asked to confirm your email, so keep an eye on your inbox for any verification emails from Slack. Once you've finished these setup steps, congratulations, you now have a new Slack account. But let's not stop here. Knowing how to log out is just as important. When you've finished using Slack for the moment, look for the Sign Out option. This is typically located in the main menu, often accessed by clicking your profile or initials in the top right corner. Clicking Sign Out ensures you maintain the security and privacy of your account, especially if you're using a shared computer. And there you have it. You've learned how to sign up and log into Slack. Whether you're an existing user or completely new, the steps are designed to be simple and user-friendly. Remember, Slack provides a great platform for team communication and collaboration, so now you're all set to jump into conversations or start new ones. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.